Incheon, a city that thrives on the edge of the sea where the waves bring not just the tides but also a rich history and a vibrant culture. A city built by the sea where the port is the heart, pumping life and diversity into its streets. A door to Korea where old meets new and tradition dances with modernity in a seamless blend. For hundreds of years, this exciting port city has welcomed people from all over, bringing their unique cultures and, most importantly, their delicious food with them. The result? A culinary tapestry woven with amazing tastes, wonderful smells, and proof that food brings people together, transcending boundaries and creating connections. Incheon's streets whisper stories of the past, and its kitchens are ready for new food adventures, blending history with innovation. Incheon's food story is all about the sea, where the ocean's bounty is celebrated in every dish. Being so close to the ocean means an abundance of fresh seafood, which is a cornerstone of Incheon's culinary identity. Traders brought spices and ingredients from faraway places, enriching the local cuisine and adding layers of flavor that tell stories of distant lands. This mix of tastes, old and new, is what makes Incheon's street food special, a delightful fusion that excites the palate. It shows how Incheon loves new things but also remembers its history, honoring the past while embracing the future. But Incheon's food isn't just about ingredients, it's about the city's heart, its people, and the love that goes into every bite. It's about the joy of sharing a meal, the warmth of family gatherings, and the friendships forged over a shared love of food. It's the sound of hotteok sizzling on a griddle, the aroma of grilled seafood wafting through the air, and the happy laughter that fills the street food stalls. It's about sharing food, talking with new people, and making great memories with every mouthful, creating a sense of community. So come explore Incheon's food with me. Let's dive into the vibrant markets, meet the passionate vendors, and taste the incredible flavors that define this city. Let's go to the busy markets, find hidden food treasures, and enjoy the tastes that make this city a secret foodie paradise waiting to be discovered. Let's find out, is Incheon's street food the world's best-kept food secret? Join me on this delicious journey and decide for yourself. Incheon's markets are amazing. So many colors, smells, and sounds. They're full of energy, like a city that never sleeps. You can hear food frying, smell kimchi, and smell fresh pastries. People selling food shout excitedly, adding to the market's music. These markets are more than just places to shop. They're the heart of Incheon's food, where old family recipes are shared, and new food trends begin. They show you Incheon's soul, a city proud of its food. Go into Sinpo International Market, a maze of stalls and shops. You'll find everything from hotteok, sweet pancakes with cinnamon and sugar, to gimbap, seaweed rolls filled with yummy things. The smell of fried chicken, a Korean favorite, makes everyone hungry. Or go to Bupyeong Market, where the smell of grilled seafood mixes with roasted chestnuts. Try fish cakes, pancakes with seafood and veggies, or a warm bowl of kalguksu noodle soup. Every bite shows how fresh the ingredients are and how good the cooks are. Incheon's markets show how many different kinds of food the city has, with dishes from all over Korea and other places. If you love food, you have to visit these markets to see Incheon's awesome street food. Sinpo International Market. A bustling hub of activity and a treasure trove of history. A name full of history, a place where the past meets the present. This market has been a cornerstone of the community for generations. Built in the late 1800s, Sinpo Market has witnessed Incheon transform from a small fishing town into a bustling metropolis. The market stands as a testament to the city's rich history and cultural evolution. Despite the passage of time, Sinpo Market retains its old-fashioned charm. Its narrow streets are alive with the sights, sounds, and smells of traditional Korea, offering a sensory experience like no other. Walk through its special archway designed in a traditional Korean style, and you'll feel as though you've stepped back in time. The market's atmosphere is both nostalgic and vibrant. The air is filled with the rich aroma of spices, the sizzling sounds of food being cooked, and the lively chatter of vendors and customers. It's a feast for the senses. The market is a vibrant tapestry of colors, sounds, and flavors, offering an exciting experience for your eyes, ears, and taste buds. Sinpo Market is particularly famous for its dakgangjong, a type of Korean fried chicken that has become a beloved delicacy. Each bite is a perfect blend of crispy and juicy. Each stall boasts its own secret recipe, but they all share a commitment to using fresh, local ingredients. This dedication to quality is evident in every delicious bite. The result? Crispy, juicy, and utterly irresistible chicken that keeps people coming back for more. It's a culinary delight that you simply can't stop eating. But Sinpo Market offers much more than just fried chicken. It's a haven for food lovers, with a wide array of delectable options to explore. From savory to sweet, the market has all kinds of yummy food to satisfy any craving. Each stall offers a unique taste of Korean cuisine. Try Sundae, Korean blood sausage, which might sound unusual but is a beloved dish with a rich, savory flavor that surprises and delights. Or indulge in tteokbokki, chewy rice cakes bathed in a spicy sweet sauce that packs a punch of flavor in every bite. And don't miss out on hotteok, a delightful pancake filled with warm brown sugar and cinnamon, perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. Sinpo International Market is more than just a place to eat. It's a place where food brings people together. Families and friends gather here to share meals and create lasting memories. It's a place to savor traditional tastes, experience the warmth of Korean hospitality, and make memories that will stay with you forever. Sinpo Market is truly where tradition meets temptation. Sinpo Market feels old-fashioned, but Bupyeong and Moranai markets show how Incheon's food is changing. These markets are a testament to the city's evolving culinary landscape, where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Walking through these markets, you can feel the pulse of Incheon's vibrant food culture. These markets show how the city mixes old and new, traditional and modern. The juxtaposition of bustling stalls and charming street vendors creates a unique atmosphere that is both nostalgic and contemporary. It's a place where history meets innovation, offering a rich tapestry of experiences for all who visit. Bupyeong Market, with indoor and outdoor stalls, is super exciting. The energy here is palpable, with vendors calling out to customers and the aroma of delicious food filling the air. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way, making it a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the heart of Incheon's food scene. You can hear grilling meat, smell kimchi, and smell fresh pastries. The sounds and smells are intoxicating, drawing you in and making your mouth water. Each stall offers something different, from savory to sweet, ensuring there's something for everyone. People selling food shout excitedly, making the market even more fun. The lively banter between vendors and customers adds to the vibrant atmosphere, creating a sense of community and excitement. It's a place where you can feel the heartbeat of the city. Here, you'll find all kinds of food, from classic Korean street food to food from other countries. The diversity of offerings is astounding, reflecting Incheon's status as a melting pot of cultures. Whether you're craving traditional Korean dishes or something more exotic, you'll find it here. Try odeng, fish cakes in a yummy broth. These savory treats are a staple of Korean street food, offering a comforting and delicious snack that's perfect for any time of day. Enjoy a bowl of sundubu jjigae, a spicy tofu stew. This hearty dish is a favorite among locals, known for its rich flavors and warming qualities. It's a must-try for anyone looking to experience authentic Korean cuisine, or try to get a good price on fresh seafood, which Bupyeong Market is known for. The seafood here is incredibly fresh, with vendors offering everything from fish to shellfish. Negotiating for the best price is part of the fun, adding an extra layer of interaction to your market experience. Moranai Market, built in 1982, feels more traditional. This market offers a glimpse into the past, with its vintage stalls and old-world charm. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to experience a piece of Incheon's history. Its small streets are full of fresh fruits, vegetables, seafood, and Korean ingredients. The abundance of fresh produce and traditional ingredients makes it a haven for food lovers. Each stall is a treasure trove of flavors, offering the best of what Incheon has to offer. This is the place to find real Incheon food, meet local people, and feel the city's food heart. The interactions with local vendors add a personal touch to your visit, making it more than just a shopping trip. It's an opportunity to connect with the community and learn about the city's culinary traditions. Try the bindaedeok, savory mung bean pancakes, a Moranai market special. These crispy, golden pancakes are a beloved snack, known for their delicious flavor and satisfying crunch. These crispy pancakes are a yummy and cheap snack or meal. They're perfect for enjoying on the go, making them a popular choice among market-goers. Whether you're looking for a quick bite or a more substantial meal, bindaedeok won't disappoint. And don't miss the homemade kimbap, seaweed rolls with yummy fillings, perfect for eating while you explore the market. These rolls are a versatile and delicious option, offering a variety of fillings to suit every taste. They're a great way to fuel your market adventure. Upyeong and Morenai markets show the heart of Incheon's food, where old and new mix perfectly. These markets are a microcosm of the city's culinary evolution, offering a unique blend of tradition and modernity. It's a place where you can experience the best of both worlds. These markets show how much Incheon loves food, and it's exciting to see. The enthusiasm of the market-goers is infectious, making it clear that food is at the heart of Incheon's culture. It's a celebration of flavors, aromas, and experiences that you won't want to miss. Let's go to the most important part of Incheon's food, the seafood markets. You'll find so many fresh things from the ocean: shrimp, crabs, fish, and shellfish. The markets are busy and exciting, with people selling and buying seafood. It's amazing. You can almost smell the ocean. Whether you love seafood or just want to try something new, you have to visit Incheon seafood markets. In Incheon, every meal is a new adventure. From barbecue to stews, the city has so many different tastes. Each dish tells a story, mixing old and new, making every bite special. Close by, Wolmido Island and Jung-gu have their own special foods. You can enjoy fresh seafood, caught every day and cooked perfectly. The busy markets and small restaurants have local favorites that will make you happy. Street food is more than just food. It's about culture. Incheon's exciting street food shows the city's history and energy. From spicy tteokbokki to crispy hotteok, each food stall shows you a part of the city, one bite at a time. So if you love food or just want to try new things, Incheon's street food is waiting for you. With each dish, you'll see the passion and creativity that make this city a true food paradise. Come hungry and leave with amazing memories. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.